let's start with chapter number first, the universe. In this chapter, I will tell you about our universe. I will tell you about sun and the 8 planet that revolves around the sun, and what are star, what is sun, satellites or moon, planets, comets and asteroids. Now let's go write the names of the planet in the solar system. Here we have different planets. We have Mars, Jupiter, Mercury, Mars, Venus, Earth, Venus, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Like this you will write the name. Now about the universe. Our universe, it's vast and there are millions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy consists of billions of stars and many different solar systems. Each solar system, it consists of, यहाँ पे आपको stars, planets, moons and other celestial bodies देखने को मिलेंगे. Now according to farthest distance measured by our scientists, the universe जो है वो approximately कितना है? 93 billion light year across है. Right? Now scientists believe that universe was formed with a big bang, which was huge explosion that happened 14 billion years ago. The present size of the universe is many times bigger than what it was before the Big Bang. Now, our galaxy is Milky Way. Our universe is infinite and there are millions of galaxies in the universe. We belong to the Milky Way galaxy, also known as Akash Ganga. It includes our solar system along with many other stars and celestial bodies. ठीक है, इसमें आपके क्या होते हैं? सोलर सिस्टम है जिसके साथ डिफरेंट स्टार्स, सेलेस्टियल बॉडी अवेलेबल है. देन वी हैव स्टार्स. What are stars? Stars are big ball of fire that gives us heat and light. The sun is one of the stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Many of the stars are much bigger than the sun, but they appear very small. देखो वो आपको दिखते तो बहुत छोटे हैं लेकिन होते बहुत बड़े हैं. Why? Because they are very far away from us. क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा दूर है तो इसलिए वो हमें क्या दिखते हैं? बहुत छोटे दिखाई देते हैं. Now the formation of stars in a group is called constellation. जो formation of stars होता है ग्रुप में उसे क्या बोला जाता है? Constellation. Stars seems to twinkle because of the movement of the air in the atmosphere. Stars आपको twinkle होते हुए क्यों दिखाई देते हैं? Because of the movement of the air in the atmosphere. Now we have solar system. The sun and the 8 planets. जो आपका sun है और जो 8 planet है, they revolve and the satellites and other heavenly bodies जैसे comets, asteroids. What they form? They form solar system. And the word solar means of the sun. Solar का मतलब क्या होता है? Of the sun. These are the different Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are the 8 planets of our solar system. Now we have sun. It is also a star. It is made up of very big hot gases. They all planets, what they do? They revolve around the sun. जो हमारे सारे planets हैं वो क्या करते हैं? Revolve करते हैं. Right? The sun is very important because it gives us heat and light, and the heat from the sun causes wind to blow. देखो जो heat है sun से वो क्या cause करती है कि जो heat है वो क्या करे? Blow करे and change in season and rainfall. Now do you know? Let's see some extra information. The sun is also a star. It looks bigger as compared to other star because it is closer to the planet Earth. क्योंकि वो हमारे पास है. ठीक है? That is why वो हमें बहुत बड़ा दिखाई देता है. Galileo famous scientist है. What he did? He was the first man to see the sky through a telescope. Now satellites or moons, heavenly bodies जो revolve करती हैं around the planet. What are they called? They are called natural satellite. और इनके अपनी लाइट नहीं होती हैं. दे रिफ्लेक्ट द लाइट ऑफ द सन. और ये किसकी लाइट रिफ्लेक्ट करती हैं? सन की. नेक्स्ट वी हैव प्लैनेट्स. द प्लैनेट्स दे आर मेड अप ऑफ रॉक्स, मेटल्स एंड गैस. दे रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन और एक फिक्स पाथ में जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्बिट कहते हैं. प्लैनेट्स डू नॉट हैव एनी लाइट ऑफ देयर ओन. एवरी प्लैनेट हैज इट्स ओन सैटेलाइट एंड रिवॉल्व अराउंड द प्लैनेट. लेट अस लर्न मोर अबाउट. Planets have been discovered in increasing order from their distance from the Earth. देखो जो planet है वो क्या कर रहा है? Increase कर रहा है from the distance from the Sun. Mercury, smallest planet in the solar system, which is nearest to the Sun. जो क्या है? Sun के बहुत nearest है. Then Venus, it is the brightest planet and the second planet from the Sun. ये brightest भी है और second planet भी है from the Sun. Then we have Earth, home planet. It is the third planet. इसकी एक ही satellite है जो है आपकी Moon, and it is the only planet where life is possible. Why? Because air and water both are present on this planet. Then we have Mars, small planet. इसको हम red planet कहते हैं because it's looks red. अगर आप इसे देखेंगे तो थोड़ा रेड दिखाई देता है. And then we have Jupiter, largest planet. ये गैस का बना होता है, इसके पास सबसे ज़्यादा नंबर ऑफ सैटेलाइट. Saturn, second largest planet, और ये भी फेमस है फॉर रिंग. थर्ड लार्जेस्ट planet, and Neptune is 8th from the sun. Next topic is comets. What are comets? They are the icy body जो कहाँ प्रेजेंट है सोलर सिस्टम में. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? ऑर्बिट द सन. As they move closer to the sun, a part of them start melting and forms a sea. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप क्लोजर जाओगे इसके तो क्या होगा कि जो वो मेल्ट करना स्टार्ट कर देगा. एंड द कॉमेट्स लाइट वी सी इन एक्चुअल रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ सनलाइट. नाउ एस्ट्रॉइड. Next is asteroids. If we talk about asteroids, what are asteroids? They are small bodies made up of metal and rocks. And majority of the asteroids are found between orbit of Mars and Jupiter. सबसे ज़्यादा आपको देखने को मिलेंगे वो कहाँ मिलेंगे? आपको मार्स और जुपिटर के ऑर्बिट में. And this region is called asteroid belt. और इस रीजन को क्या बोला जाता है? Asteroid belt. Right? Now we have done with this chapter. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.